Good morning to everyone. It is my pleasure to start this workshop where advisors, specialists, farmers, and students will share knowledge and experience in one topic of high interest for the agriculture in Europe, and specifically for the Mediterranean countries. Big research and experience have been generated in the last years on soil health and soil management. The topic is of high interest as we are facing the future of the agriculture focus in the Green Deal and the Agenda 2030. The future is promising but challenging. In this workshop, we want you to increase your knowledge and advice that there are many people worried about soils, that's about food, that's about citizen health. It is our wish that you enjoy this workshop. We hope you to harvest fruitful information and content for your future soil health.
Best for Soil online workshop. Today, there are people joining with us from Italy, France, Greece, Cyprus and Spain, but also from other countries. It is a pleasure for us to host this event for you. We know that participating in an online event is not easy for many of us. While preparing for these days, we experience that on our own. It is our goal to help you to get started and feel comfortable with us, so that it hopefully will be a worthwhile and positive experience. It is our goal to facilitate information exchange all around our favorite topic, soils. Today, here in this workshop, we speak at least 4 different languages in 4 different countries, which makes communication a bit challenging, but we like challenges. We tried our best in the preparation for this workshop, and we will try also our best during this workshop to understand each other. With Best for Soil, we have the goal to facilitate knowledge exchange in a network of practitioners. Therefore, facilitators in 20 different countries organize meetings and events in all countries. Smaller events and bigger events. Today, there is a bigger event here, where you have the chance to meet, learn, and if we want, we can exchange with farmers and advisors from Mediterranean Europe. So, how is this workshop organized?
The workshop has 3 sessions. The first one is about compost and soil health. The second one is about biofumigation and biosolarization, and the third one is about crop rotation and avoidance of soil-borne diseases. In every session, we will listen and watch to 3 inspirational presentations. After every presentation, there is time for remarks, critiques, and opinions. You don't have to speak for your own if you don't want to, but we warmly invite you to share your voice, your experience, and knowledge with people from all over Mediterranean Europe. The discussion starts in our local languages, guided by our country's Best for Soil facilitators. After our 3 presentations and our discussions in our local rooms, we meet on the stage. There, in the panel discussion, all 5 facilitators and the 3 speakers from the session join Miguel to discuss the outcomes of our local rooms. After this discussion, you can ask additional questions. In order to make our discussion on the stage possible, we discuss in English. We know that not all of you can understand English, which is why we would like to prepare a document for all of you. It will include the topics that came up in our discussions. So please, use your chance and ask our speakers wherever you are interested. The questions that cannot be answered due to time constraints will be collected and answered by our speakers and added to the proceedings document after this event.
For Soil project practitioners share their knowledge about the prevention and suppression of soil-borne diseases. Our task in this project is to evaluate this exchange from the point of view of advisors and farmers and to document this feedback. At the end of each half day, you will be invited to discuss a topic in your subgroup, in your language. We would like to know whether you use the videos, the fact sheets, for example, or how you rate the database. This feedback is very important for the practical use in the field and the multiplication of the learnings in this project. Thank you very much for your help to improve the developed tools.
So, now you learn how the structure of our workshop is organized, and we are ready to start. We are happy to have you here today, and we wish you that you learn something new today which will help you to improve how you think about and work with soil.